Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Run for fun! Tex and Indi and their family were walking through Golden Gate Park. "Whoa!" said Indi. "Look at all those people running." "A bunch of them are wearing costumes," said Tex. "What are they doing?" asked their sister Arizona. "They're running the Bay to Breakers race," said Dad. "It happens every year in San Francisco." "I can run fast," said Indi. "Count how many seconds it takes me to get to that tree. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Tex counted as Indi ran. 25 seconds. "Did you see that squirrel running next to me?" asked Indi. "He was racing too." Next, Tex ran while Indi counted. 25 seconds, said Indi. "It's a tie." "A triple tie," said Tex. "That little squirrel was running with me too." "Maybe next year we can all run the race," said Mom. "Awesome," said Arizona. "But what should we dress up as?" Just then, the squirrel ran around in circles in front of them. "Squirrels!" said the whole family, laughing.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.